Our topic is on Redshift by Neil Tolentino and Macy Ferrer.
Redshift is a long red wavelength used to find distance, used as evidence to show that the universe was expanding. Redshift was first seen by Fitzway, who has found out that there was a shift in the spectrum lines in the stars. In 1868, an astronomer named William Hewins found out that stars were moving away from us. More astronomers have done more research after and found out that the universe is expanding and that galaxies were moving away from us.
So, redshift was the result of the Doppler effect, but instead of using sound, we use light. Redshift helps us find the distance of an object. In this case, we measure the galaxies. An advancing light source will have a shorter wavelength and a high frequency. Light source that is moving away from us has a longer wavelength and has a shorter frequency. Also, when we say a redshift, it means the object is moving away from us, and if an object is moving towards us, it means it is blue shifted. To find the velocity of a galaxy from its spectrum, we need to determine the redshift of spectral lines from the spectrum. We have to use this equation right here, where z equals the redshift. The symbol over here means measured wavelength minus measured original wavelength all over the original wavelength. The following equation is used to describe the expansion of the universe, where for small velocities we use z equals velocity over speed of light, and for higher redshift we use z equals square root of speed of light plus velocity all over speed of light minus velocity minus 1.
Gravitational redshift is when an object goes away from the source of gravity and is reduced in frequency or is redshifted. If the object is redshifted, the object has less energy. The less frequency, the more object is redshifted.
Now I'm going to explain cosmological redshift and how it supports the Big Bang Theory. Cosmological redshift is basically a redshift caused by the expansion of space. Light that was emitted has a short wavelength, and by the time it reaches us, it has expanded in size. We see the redshift of the distant galaxy, and since we see the redshift of distant galaxies, that means the universe is moving away from us, and it could also mean that the galaxy started from somewhere at one point, which could be the Big Bang, where everything started.
In conclusion, the redshift is a wavelength used to measure the distance of an extremely far away object. It was also used to support the Big Bang Theory and how the universe is actually expanding. There are three different kinds of redshifts, which are the Doppler effect, Doppler redshift relating to the motion of the object that produced light and the observer, the cosmological redshift caused by the expansion of space, and the gravitational redshift, which is the frequency of the photon to a lower energy. And here are our sources, and thank you for watching.